Raisins milk smoothie or Wintermelon raisins milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the raisins recipes and one of the most unique of the Wintermelon recipes and one of the most delicious of the milkshake recipes. Like the video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the notification button. We're going to make Wintermelon raisins milk smoothie. We've taken around 200 grams of Wintermelon, around 50 grams of raisins, around 50 grams of sugar, put in the sugar with the raisins. Close and grind well. Open. Now put in the Wintermelon. Close. Pour in the milk. Close. And grind well. Open. Now the Wintermelon raisins milk smoothie is ready. Poured into the glasses. Now pour in the smoothie into the glasses. The final Wintermelon raisins milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk is in the easiest smoothie recipe, most unique of the raisins recipes and one of the most delicious of the Wintermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothies and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes.